correcting code. Why to go for this and what this all that we have to see. We know that when digital information which is in the binary form, when it is transmitted from one circuit to another circuit or from one system to another system, error may occur. Error may occur. That means because of the noise, because of the presence of noise, when you are transmitting 0, it may get changed to 1 and 1 may get changed to 0. So as to maintain our data integrity between what we have transmitted and what we have received, the extra bit or more than one bit are added into the data. These extra bits allows us for the detection and sometimes correction of our error in the data. The data along with extra bit or bits forms the code now. Earlier only actual message will be your code. Now to have a removal of the error, we can form a new binary code which consists of additional number of bits which are used to correct, which is used to detect or correct the error in the given code. So this kind of code which allows error detection, the code which allows only error detection are called error detecting codes, and the codes which allows detection as well as corrections are called as error detecting and error correcting codes. There are now very first thing we have to see about only error detection. Error detecting methods. There are many error detecting methods are there, such as parity check, 2 out of 5 code, linear codes, and so on. But in our syllabus, it is restricted to only till parity check. Okay, so now to have the understanding of the parity check, we should know little bit about this parity bits. This parity bit is used for the purpose of detecting errors during the transmission of binary information. This parity bit is an extra bit which will be included with your binary message to make the number of ones either odd or even. I'll tell you practically also, but just see the definition what is all we are saying. This parity bit will be an extra bit which is included in the message to make the total number of bits of ones either 0 or 1. Instead of that I should say either odd or even. Then the message including this parity bit will be transmitted and then checked at the receiving end for the errors. If any error is detected, the checked parity bit does not correspond with the one which we have transmitted. That means the circuit that generates the parity bit in the transmitter, the circuit that generates parity bit at transmitter, we call it as parity generator. And the circuits that checks the parity in the receiver is called as parity checker. is called as parity checker. Now let me tell you what I mean by this all. Let us say you have some message like I'm talking about parity bits or parity check. In that, what I am saying, this is the extra bit which we are adding. We are calling it as parity bit. In your actual message, let us say your message is something like this. Okay? And we are adding this parity bit in a such a way that this binary codes, this is your binary code. Okay? When this get transmitted, they are saying that at receiver, you should receive this only, but you may get something like this. Means you have transmitted 1011 and here you got 1011 at the receiver. This may happen because of noise, because of the interference added or because of the channel. There are many issues. Because of this, your receiver will not get the code what you have transmitted. So the method to detect error, first we should be able to detect the error and then we will go for the solution of correcting the errors. So to avoid, let us say you got some error over there. Now how to detect those errors, whether I have transmitted 1011, whether I got 1011 or anything else, that I need to check first. So as to check that kind of error detection, they are using a parity check. In parity check, the format is what? You will not transmit the data as it is. As it is, I mean to say, this is what your data is, fine. But you will be, this is your binary code of your message. Let us say this represents your high. Okay? This represents high. High binary equivalent, let us see for understanding, is this. But you did not receive high, you received something hello, which is not correct, right? So we have to avoid this. So whatever your actual message is there, with that message you will be adding some parity bit. How you are going to add the parity bits? You are going to add the parity bits in a such a way that the total number of ones, this is your 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? That means your digital signal is having 1 and 0 only. How we are focusing on how many number of ones are there, total number of ones, how many? Here you can see there are 3 ones, there are 3 number of ones. That means 3 times your 1 is present over there. So I will make my parity in a such a way that parity may be called as even parity or odd parity. Even parity or odd parity. Let us say if I have this kind of signal, even parity, then what I will do, I will try to see the number of ones should be even. The number of ones should be even. Here you can see there are here you can see the number of ones are 3. 3 is your odd number, right? So I will make it ones, even parity. Then I have to make it even parity. And what I should do, I should add one more extra bit, which is 1011. My parity bit will be, I want to make it even parity. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Here I have to make this, I have 3 ones and I have to make it a even parity. That means to have an even number, I should make one more 1 into it so that I will get even parity. So my parity bit here I will be adding as 1 so that I will get even parity. Now I don't want even parity. Let us say I want only odd parity. So what I will do for this number, this is what my number is, actual transmitted. So what kind of parity bit I need to add into this so that it will get an odd parity? Definitely I don't want any. Why? Because 1, 2, 3. 3 is even, odd number. So your parity bit should be 0 only so that it doesn't make any change. So I got my, this is odd parity, this will be my even parity. That means parity check or of parity or of two types. One is even parity, other is odd parity. When, what do we mean by even parity then? When an extra bit is added to the code, an extra bit is added to the code to produce an even number of ones. To produce an even number of ones is called as even parity. Those who want can take a note. Even parity is nothing but, or parity check is nothing but, a parity bit is an extra bit included with a message to make the total number of ones, either even or odd, parity or of two types, even parity, odd parity. Even parity now. When an extra bit is added to the code to produce an even number of ones is called as even parity. Now same way we can write for odd parity. Odd parity is an extra bit added to produce odd number of ones. That means, let us say for example, I will take 1010. This is my actual message. I want to make it odd parity. Odd parity. That means what kind of parity bit I should add it. I can see how many number of ones are there. There are two ones. Two ones are even number, right? So I should make it odd. That means 3 it should be. So my parity bit should be 1. So that I will get my odd parity. Information.